guys know that I'm a little persnickety when it comes to several things with outdoors, and shutters is one of them. If you've watched my Instagram stories, you guys know that I am very particular about my shutters, in that I feel like they need to function. Any window that has a set of shutters should, in my opinion, look like the shutters will function. They don't necessarily have to function, but look like they can function. I really believe that in the 1980s and 70s, they used shutters almost as earrings for windows, including bay windows. And again, back to the idea that shutters are supposed to look like they function. How on earth would you ever have two small shutters that would cover a bay window? So my rule of thumb on shutters is if they don't look like they would function and fit over the windows and close them completely, then they shouldn't be used. So it's okay to not have shutters on your window. They'll still look good without it. And if you need help making that decision, you can give me a call and I'll for sure give you my opinion on it.